Google just broke the AI image industry, and no one was prepared for this. Their new model, Nano Banana Pro, isn't just another AI upgrade. It's a complete leap into the future of image generation. And today, we're testing it exclusively through Higgsfield AI, the most creator-friendly AI platform right now. Higgsfield gives you unlimited renders, 4K production-ready images, multi-model testing side by side, character consistency across projects. It's the only platform where Nano Banana Pro is fully integrated and ready for professional creators. In this video, we're putting it through real-world tests that usually break AI image generators instantly. We'll test it against old Nano Banana, Seedream 4.0, ChatGPT's image generator. Same prompts, same conditions, no shortcuts. By the end, you'll know exactly which AI image model you should be using in 2025. What is Nano Banana Pro? Nano Banana Pro is powered by Google's Gemini 3 Pro image model. It's designed for precision, clarity, logical structure, exact prompt following. It automatically fixes human anatomy mistakes, perspective and composition issues, text rendering problems. Before the image even appears on your screen, it supports 1K, 2K, and full 4K images, making it suitable for professional projects in advertising, branding, product design, education, and creative storytelling. With Higgsfield AI, you get access to this power immediately, along with all their other creative tools, unlimited renders, and model comparisons. This isn't regular AI art. This is production-ready output, ready for any professional workflow. How to use it? You can access Nano Banana Pro in two ways. Option 1, through Google platforms like Gemini or AI Studio. Option 2, through Higgsfield AI, which allows side-by-side model testing, multi-image blending, character consistency, unlimited renders. Why Higgsfield AI is the best place to access it. Higgsfield AI isn't just a platform, it's an all-in-one creative studio for AI generation. Here's why it's perfect for Nano Banana Pro. Easy access, no complicated logins or separate accounts. You just log in and select Nano Banana Pro from the model dropdown. Multi-model testing. You can test Nano Banana Pro side by side with Nano Banana 1, Seedream 4.0, and ChatGPT to compare results instantly. Unlimited 4K renders. You can generate as many high-quality images as you want without limits. Higgsfield is the easiest and fastest way to get started with Nano Banana Pro and fully leverage its power. To start open image generation, select the drop-down menu and choose Nano Banana Pro. That's it. Now let's jump into the tests. Multi-actor face blending. Google claims Nano Banana Pro can blend 6 to 8 faces while keeping identity intact. We tested with 5 actors. Actor A, lead action star. Actor B, famous comedian. Actor C, award-winning dramatic actor. Actor D, international film star. Actor E, veteran character actor. Prompt: reimagine these actors as characters from an ancient epic film set. Results: every actor's face retained identity perfectly. Lighting looked professional. Costumes were historically accurate. Expressions were natural and non-uncanny. Other models failed. Old Nano Banana lost facial details. Seedream 4.0, inconsistent lighting and expression. ChatGPT, cartoonish or distorted. Nano Banana Pro dominates this test. Precise visual editing. Next, we tested spatial reasoning. We uploaded an image and added instructions. Add a bookshelf here, give actor A a guitar and have them look at it. Place a potted plant in this corner. Nano Banana Pro followed instructions perfectly. The objects blended naturally with the scene. Other models ignored most of the placements or made objects float unnaturally. This proves Nano Banana Pro understands complex spatial prompts. Perfect text rendering. We provided messy handwritten notes and asked, turn these into a readable, structured mind map. Nano Banana Pro accurate hierarchy, color-coded sections. Sharp readable text. Other models, blurry or incorrect text. Half of the content missing. Layout completely broken. This level of text fidelity is unmatched. Sketch to photorealism. We uploaded a rough sketch of a concept car. Prompt: turn this rough pencil sketch into a high-fidelity photorealistic render. Nano Banana Pro produced accurate reflections and metal texture, realistic tires and shadows, studio-grade lighting, professional product photo quality. Seedream 4.0 was decent but flat. ChatGPT and old Nano Banana were far from showroom ready. Manga colorization plus translation. We uploaded a black and white manga panel and instructed, colorize this Naruto style and translate all Japanese text to English. Nano Banana Pro completed both tasks perfectly, keeping character style and text intact. Other models could only color or translate, made mistakes in translation or style, refused tasks, reconstruct damaged documents. We provided torn paper fragments with handwritten notes. Prompt: rebuild the full page, preserve handwriting, do not invent sentences. Reverse engineering objects. We uploaded a crushed package and asked, restore it as if it were full. Nano Banana Pro recreated the packet's shape, folds, and contents accurately. Educational explainers. We uploaded a Eiffel Tower photo. Prompt: turn this into an informative visual explainer with labels, materials, and construction timeline. Text on wall plus camera rotation. Prompt: write this sentence on the wall and rotate camera 30 degrees left. Nano Banana Pro rendered text correctly, applied proper 3D perspective, adjusted camera angle accurately. Nano Banana Pro is perfect for digital artists. Remember, if you want to try Nano Banana Pro today, click the link in the description to access Higgsfield AI and start generating images immediately. AI gives you immediate access to all of this power with unlimited renders, multi-model comparisons, and creative tools. Just subscribe, like, and comment. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.